X-H2, the 40 megapixel APS-C beast. This camera right here is the one to beat. Yes, I said it. This camera has all the bells and whistles you want out of any full frame or APS-C camera on the market. I know that's a bold statement, but look, if you look at the specs, you'll see why. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I set mine up for fast wedding work and make it feel just like my Sony A7 III and A7 IV cameras. Let's dive into it. If you're shooting weddings with the Fuji X-H2 and it feels slow or unpredictable, that ends today. I'm giving you the exact 6 changes that instantly turns this camera into a fast, dependable, wedding-ready machine. You simply cannot miss a first kiss because your camera is running factory defaults. I've been doing this for 12 years, and these settings completely transform the X-H2 for real wedding work. And yes, I turn off IAF completely. And let me show you why. Hack number 1, the mode dial trap. First, the simplest fix that saves your exposure. Keep your mode dial on manual. If you use C1, C2, or C3 and the camera goes to sleep, it can wake up with your ISO or aperture reverted to the saved custom settings. You pick up the camera, fire off a moment, and suddenly you're at f8 in a dark church. Manual mode locks your exposure the way you set it. 0 surprises. Hack number 2, Sony style speed. Let's make the Fuji feel fast and familiar to what my Sony settings were. Assign the ISO to the right D-pad under Function Settings. Now you can adjust ISO instantly with your rear command dial or the D-pad. No menus, no friction. And here's a pro tip. Set the down D-pad to preview exposure in manual mode. When reception lights drop, you need to see your exposure fast. One click down, preview changes instantly. That's a game changer during chaotic lighting moments. Now, hack number 3, the AFC speed boost in AFC mode. Go to release/focus priority and switch AFC priority to release. Focus priority makes the camera hesitate. Release priority fires the moment you tell it to. If you're already using back button focus, the camera is constantly updating the focus anyway. This is how I set up every camera I've used. My Canon, my Sony, and my Fuji cameras, all of them set up this way. This makes them dramatically more responsive with that one switch. Hack number 4, focus certainty. Here's the controversial one that I say all the time. I ditch IAF completely. I shoot 100% spot AF. Fuji's IAF is improving, but during weddings, it can still jump or hesitate. I don't gamble on big moments, so spot AF lets me choose exactly where I want to focus every single time. I pair this with back button focus, and if you're not using back button focus in 2025, tell me why in the comments. I genuinely want to know. But here's a quick story. Last year during vows, the bride was crying, light was mixed, guests were shifting. IAF hunted. Spot AF nailed the shot instantly. That moment locked me in, and I chose the moment and not the algorithm. Now let's move on to hack number 5 and number 6, file management and turn off clarity. I shoot RAW uncompressed to the CF Express card and JPEGs to the SD card. The secret truth is I use JPEGs about 90% of the time because Fuji colors are that good. Next, make sure you turn clarity off. Clarity forces the camera to think a little harder and slows down the shot, and it makes your performance slow. We don't have time for any of the performance issues when it comes to a wedding day. But here's a bonus setting for you. Set your image stabilization mode to shooting only. If image stabilization is running while the camera is dangling at your side, it drains your battery fast. These major changes, manual mode, D-pad to ISO, release priority for AFC, and use spot autofocus will give you a clean JPEG workflow. And this is how I turned the X-H2 into a wedding-ready speed machine, and making the switch to Fuji feels more familiar. Now, are you team eye autofocus or team spot autofocus? Drop it in the comments below, because I respond to every Fuji question. And if you want the full PDF with the settings I change on both Fuji and Sony, hit the link below and I'll send it to you. Now, go set up your X-H2 and shoot a killer wedding. See you in the next video. Peace.